Pwede na. Okay. Kami na lang. Okay, atras kami te ha. Bye Aero Haven Resort. Till next time guys. Ayan. We're going to Aloro Beach Resort CA. It's in Kaputian. It will take an hour for us to reach there, okay? Yes, it's gonna be far, but it's gonna be fun. Bigyan natin, oh. Let's go, guys.
Where's the ul?
Pinag-away pala nila yung ano nila. Yung eel.
Kita sila na?
Seal.
Kita sila? Kita sila?
Wala.
Kita sila? Okay.
Okay kayo.
So yun nga guys, instead na mag-Aloro kasi
Masyadong crowded.
Hindi okay doon.
Yeah, it's too crowded.
Ito medyo mahal pero at least kami-kami lang.
Yes,
Hindi naman siya exclusive pero kami lang nandito. Hello guys. Sige yung pangalan, kalimut ko si pangalan.
Ilagay na kami, Mark. Ako, ang mga bata amin, no? Kasi nang 1 year old, mga 6 years old, 5 years old.
Yun ako na ilista.
Ay, dito na lang ilista, sir. Ha?
Ilista mo dito, sir.
Okay, dito lang ilista.
Oo, gusto kami dito mga madali dito.
Thank you.
Dire, no?
Tina, say hi. Tina.
Hi, camera.
Okay, let's go.
Go.
Okay, wait.
Go. Oh, go na. Toy, come on, let's do Toy. Papakarga siya, oh.
Hindi ako magsuwag po ang gamit.
Oh, kami din tita, hindi pa kami nagkuha. Uy, tita oh. Oh, gusto nila yan tita.
Why? Don't take the word.
Rock and roll. So let's go at the reception. Additional 200. Pag may pool. Kasama beach and pool.
Mommy.
Okay, pool.
Mommy.
200 pesos.
Mommy, it's a white version.
Money completion sa 15 cups, sir. Duha ka dorm, duha ka room, and then ang free is extra bed, 800 per bed. So, 2,000
Oh, you let us wrap on your boat.
19,000 na lang dyan. Tapos, naanay 12 ka free breakfast.
Hello guys, good afternoon. Time check, it's 1:45 p.m. We're still here at Samal. The first plan for today was supposed to go to Aloro. We went there but you know, unfortunately, it's too crowded. Tapos may mga vacant na mga rooms ng kaso lang it's too small and most of the rooms are non-air conditioned. Pero napakamura talaga and the beach is so good. Etong next na pupunta natin instead of Aloro is Island Garden Beach Resort. So, na-curious lang kami kanina kasi when we went here, walang tao. But when we checked, it's very expensive. Pero kung makita mo, ang dami din nilang activities just like in Candibad. So I think it is the best place to stay, especially for the kids. So let me invite you guys to show you this beautiful place. Okay, let's go. Yan. Kaputian man ni sir, no? Kaputian gyapon eh.
Panggubatan, sir.
Pangguba?
Panggubatan.
Panggubatan. Pero doon na po din siya dito sa kuano. Katong Aloro, kuha man na siya kaputian man na.
Side na ng kaputian. No.
O doon naman sad, kaya ang beach mura pares-pares na po eh, no? Okay sir, salamat. Okay. So tara. Check nato ang lugar. Let's check the place. So ito yung receptionist area nila. Ay sorry. Ito pala yung reception area nila. Ayan, as you can see. Diyan kami nag-check kanina. Yan, Island Garden Resort. Actually, chinek na namin kanina yung dagat. Napakaganda guys. Ito yung parking area. Diyan kami nakapark guys. Ayan, umiyak si Lemon. Hello ate. Ano man? So, doon kami sa dormitory room. Yan, umiiyak na si Alex kasi yun talaga ang struggle ng brother ko. Kasi nga special. Kailangan talaga nila i-convince yung si Alex na it's okay to stay in this room. Dormitory room, this one is good for 4 maximum to 6 packs guys. So, additional 850 pesos per head. Okay, so ito naman yung isang dormitory which is good for 8 packs. Ayan. Okay. So total guys is most likely nasa 19,100 for these 2 dormitory rooms. And then ito yung common bathroom, toilet and bath that we can use, you know. So ang kagandahan pa dito guys is bagong-bago pa ang gawa ng resort na to. Okay. Let me show you the room. They said that they're going to give us a complimentary coffee. Let me show you guys the room. It's so nice. Yan, ito yung room. Ito yung room. Ito yung bed natin. Okay. Yan. Actually, single bed lang siya. Pero kung may baby ka, pwede na kayong dalawa dito. Okay, napakaganda. Let me show you a different angle. I hope makuha na ko ng maayos. So, ito yung complimentary coffee, guys. Yan. Thank you so much. Ito yung tubig. May nakita ko kanina, dala-dalang tawag doon, yung kettle. So, kami na mag-iinit itong tubig mismo. Napakaganda at napakalinis. Buti naman nag-provide sila ng broom, so just in case na may mga sand sa loob, so we can clean by ourselves. Okay, ganda room na. Check the rooms guys. Ayan, ganda no? So what can you say about the room? Ayos ba?
8.
Yeah, good for 8. So guys, ano masasabi niyo sa room natin today?
Nice! Malamig din yung aircon, no?
Oo nga. Kaka-open nga lang eh. So mamaya mas colder pa. What can you say about the room, anak? Okay lang?
Ganda niya kasi may ano siya. Pwede ka din mag-ano ba? May lock mo yung mga
Yes, your things, so. So yun sa taas kayo, mga lalaki.
Kaso lang, mag-check tayo nga kasi alam mo na, may kasama tayong ba? Si Jay. Si ano? Si Troy. Ay, si Troy. Si
Pwede akong may kasama
JB.
ano, bata dito.
Okay. So let's check the guys. Hello ate. Dali mo. Hi ate Bebet. Musante, okay ba?
Asan eh?
Magsud ano? Ano na?
Bro? Saan ang sudan?
Ay, buta na sa cottage dito, no?
Kasi mag-prepare na sila ng table, may outdoor table. Tapos free daw ang paggamit din ni ante eh. Free daw ang paggamit sa cottage. Okay. Oo. So we can use the cottage, guys. Or this small bahay kubo or this hut. Yan, pagka nag-overnight kayo dito, libre ng paggamit nito. Itong mga hut na to. Okay, tingnan natin. Yan na yung beach. But before that, let me show you the hut again. In a different angle. Yan. Ito naman yung common na toilet nila. Or outdoor toilet. Ang kagandahan lang kasi kami lang dito. Ante napo-share ko hanging bridge. Hanging bridge tayo dito. CA!
I wanna go to the hanging bridge.
Yeah, later. Let's go together, okay?
Daddy,
Let's do adventure. Huh? What?
I want to.
Yes, later. Because we need to ask first before we go up, okay? Guwapo Ligante. This is the hanging bridge.
Daddy, there's some cute crabs everywhere.
I know.
Daddy,
Yes.
I want to change now.
Okay, you go to mommy. Mommy's there.
There's a lot of walking shells.
Yes. You call it a hermit crab. Go to mommy na. Let me just film first, okay? Just to show everyone the place. How beautiful is this place. Hello, Tina. Yan si Atina. Oh, tapos may ante napay napay playground para sa mga bata. Ngek. Good job. O, diba? Napakaganda kasi pwede yung mga bata dito. May palaruan sa mga bata. Napakaganda, guys. Ayan. Pwede din gamitin to. Tapos may kayak din sila. May pang surfboard. May surfboard din for surfing. Okay. Wow. O, pwede ka din humiga dito. Nice. Oh, warning, low lifeguard on duty after 7 p.m. Swim at your own risk. So better not to after 7 p.m. onwards because it's gonna be dark at night. Let me show you how nice this place is, guys. Then mamaya, magpapalipad ulit tayo ng drone. Right, CA?
Daddy, where's mommy?
She's there inside the room. Our room. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Come on. Hold my hand.
Here?
Huh?
We're gonna overnight here?
Yes.
Yay!
I'm gonna overnight here, of course. Paluto. Okay, ante. Sige, ante. Ay, ante.
Daddy. Daddy, Daddy, I want to pet a hermit crab.
We can't because we're too far away from the beach. Would you like to eat? Ate asked.
No.
Okay.
Oi! A hermit crab!
Yeah, don't step on it.
You stepped on it.
I did?
Yeah.
No, I'm sorry, CA.
It was so cute.
I know.
It's the cutest among all. They look so cute.
So, try ka magpalipad ulit ng drone mamaya para makita kung gaano kaganda yung
It's so
place.
cute.
Guys, so yan o.
It's so cute. Cute. It's
So nice.
Cute. It's so cute. Cute. It's so cute. Cute.
Hello, guys.
It's so cute. Cute.
What the? Oasis! Oasis!
Hi there, hi there, hi there.
Hello, hello.
I saw Alexis crying.
Hey, yeah, you too. You cry also. Hello, Nak. Oh, go to mommy.
You know you didn't slap Alexis? Yeah, she's crying.
She's crying.
See, look at, did you see the room?
Look at the room. Do you like it?
See, do you like your room?
Hi.
Hi.
Hi,
Where
Lemon.
do you want to? It's so nice, right?
Where do you want to stay?
Would you want to stay with daddy or with
Dodo shop.
mommy?
I want to be here.
With daddy or
Because-
with mommy?
I want
Should be
to
two.
Hey, this is where I am.
Wait, you with daddy? Here, you want here? This one.
Just stay with mommy. Okay?
Here.
I want to climb.
Okay, you climb.
Wanna climb? Oh, mommy will climb also. Oh, climb there. Try it.
Go, go. It's a ladder.
Climb.
Careful, ah.
Oh, go. You and mommy there.
I'm at the other side.
No, you step.
You just knock the wall. Ah, do you like it, CA?
Yeah.
Ting.
Yeah, blue pillow.
Yes.
So you still.
Is there another blue pillow?
You'll be with mommy or daddy?
Can three fit here or no?
No, only
Only
two. Either you and mommy or just you and mommy. It's better.
Daddy!
Yes.
There's another blue pillows there.
I know.
Kitabi yung daddy ba?
I love blue.
Si Atin Bala.
Wait,
Okay, guys.
Si Ate JB dito tsaka si Troy kasi para ano ba, mababa lang.
Okay.
Come on. Woo! Okay, one more. One more. Come on. We'll send this to your mommy and daddy. Come on, one more. Come on. Wawa ka mo lang.
Hindi na.
Hindi na.
Okay.
1, 2, 3.
Go.
Woo! Ano?
one more pa daw.
Ha?
Athena, you want to sit?
1, 2, 3, go! Woo!
I place the
Athena! Oh, you go na, you play. That's a hut.
dot.
Yeah, you wanna go there? We can go there.
There's a swing. Here, that's also a swing. You want to go to this swing?
Gusto pa niya, Deo.
But that's closed. Only that. Come on, let's go to this swing.
Why that one?
Let's go to this one. Let's go to this one.
Wait,
Ayaw niya, ayaw niya.
try something.
Ah, yung ring. Yung ring, anak.
Ay, this?
The ring.
That? Oh. You can play with
Wala
the
na?
ball.
Athena, there's a hut. You want to go there? Hanging bridge.
Oh, later. Let's wait for Danny. You want to change na? Okay. Let's go.
I want to go.
Okay.
Dina, swing.
Put Troy. You said never let me go. 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 You said never let me go.
So yun na nga guys, tingnan natin ang dagat. Low tide ngayon pero pa high tide na daw eh. So mamaya sigurado andito na yung tubig banda. So say hi mami.
Punta daw sila, sabi ko dali namin sila doon. I-videohan, ayan na lang siguro.
I-video ko sila. Hello Tina.
Let's go there.
Hi, say hi to the camera.
Let's go there.
Hi.
Hey, come here.
Yay. Oh no. 3, 2, 1 and Blasto. Hey. CA. Oh no. Hello. CA. Hi. Say hi to the camera. Yes.
I like the ball.
I know.
Ay, ay!
Let's go. Punta tayo doon sa kabila. Dito tayo. Nasuot mo yung ano mo? Doon tayo nak. Come on. Okay. Let's go guys. So dito tayo sa ano? Oo nga. Doon tayo sa floating bridge guys. Oh, tara. Go. Nakita niyo 'yan sa ano natin, yung drone. Gusto ko lang ma-experience ano yung feeling pagka dinaanan ng wave. Let's see. Mami. Come on guys. Say come on.
Daddy, this is so fun. There's waves.
I know, so let's be careful this time. Oh, antay mo si Auntie Bebet.
I like the hanging bridge.
Yeah.
I don't hold.
Huh?
I don't want to hold.
You wanna hold?
No.
Okay. Wait for Miss Yay! Miss Wave! 3, 2, 1 and Woo! Kami, Athena! Say hi to the camera! Hi, come on! So medyo hindi malinis tignan yung tubig this time kasi nga ang lakas ng ulan lately. Tapos may advisory pa dito sa Mindanao area, sa Samal, Davao Oriental, Bukidnon. Kasi parang may flash floods ata.
Mommy!
Some parts of the area. Yeah, we can go back there if you want.
Ay, hindi siya fly. Swim.
Okay.
Daddy.
Let's swim, ha?
Daddy.
Hindi
Daddy.
nyo kaya.
Daddy. May parang lamok daw sa tubig. So hindi siya fly, swim siya.
Swim.
Swim.
Okay, dapat nak doon kayo magano kasi nandun yung ano.
Ano to, para sa boats?
Tagnak, mag-excuse ka, anak.
Oh, this is murky, eh.
No, bring it up. Up.
Eh, okay ba dante? Hello. Yawa, oy.
Hello. Ako, may crocodile, oh.
Toy, it's a toy.
It's a toy.
It's a toy. It's a toy.
It's cute.
Oh, don't go there.
Okay, come on, let's go.
No, you cannot get it.
Let's go back. Diyan na kayo nak. Ate,
Maganda maligo dito.
mas go po dante. Let's go.
Cute, Daddy. Where did I saw?
Bye, ante.
No, they will see.
Okay, CA. Go back.
Can I run?
Oh, tanaw lang may mga bata man dito. Sila ante Bebet naligo. Ha?
tuloy.
Ah.
Bye!
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 Mami! Wala, ngayon, bantay bata lang kami.
Why are you scared?
Why are you scared?
Because of the crab.
I will eat crabs. They will beat you, I will eat
They
them.
will not bite you.
Yes. PA. Wait. Oh, be careful. Watch your step. Come on. Be careful, okay? Oh.
have to go to a different way.
Be careful, huh? When you run, because there's sand on your ano. There's a sand.
Daddy, can you hold me?
Yes.
What there? Let's
Go,
go.
go, 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 go. Watch your step, okay? Come on. Bounce, 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 bounce. Bounce, bounce. Be careful in the middle. Yes. Good job, CA. Toy, toy.
Daddy, oh! Di malalim!
Ha?
Di malalim!
Di pala malalim dyan?
Oh, ano mo?
Di nga.
Daddy, oh, di malalim!
Oh, you're kidding.
Daddy, it was fun running.
I know. You wanna run back?
Yeah.
Let's go. Come on, let's run back.
Here, go. What can I exercise?
Oh, Lemon, go, go. Wait for Lemon, CA. Go, go. Watch your step, watch your step. Watch your step. Watch your step, guys. Manito ba ito, bro? Bantay bata. Woohoo! Ma-film ang mga activity sa mga bata ba? CA, be careful.
That was a nice exercise.
I know.
Right, Lemon? Yeah. Let's go relax and swim.
Come on. Oh no! Bye!
I didn't realize. Oh!
This is nice here. Let's just stay here.
Ah! No, we can't explode that. Not even that. Explode. Daddy, was that fun running?
Fun running.
Daddy, when
There's another two waves. Look. Did you see?
yeah, this wave.
And the other one's bigger. Oh no! CA! Kevin! Oh! My egg!
When it's going down very fast, that means there's gonna be a big
Ooh! So yun nga guys, kasi medyo murky ang tubig ngayon sa dagat dahil sa ulan. Pwede ba mo lingkod bisag basa? Sir? Okay lang? Okay guys, tara. Kasi mag-pool tayo.
Ay, kailangan dyan! Kaya man, gagawin ko eh.
Gagmay man, oo.
Pwede ba dyan?
Ito, sir, sir!
Ha?
Ay, kailangan, sir!
Dala Marky. Oh, yawan Marky eh. Ninja man. Ninja turtle. Turtle
Pwede
man.
doon kayo.
Asa me? Ikaw muna Atina siguro din ha. Sa Tinas to nga. Gamay man. Wait Atina. You go with Aray. You go with Mami Melay.
Wait, not see, you have to, with your mama. Or you come with me.
Oh, you better come with Mami
Kami.
Melay. Then Atina will be there. Sige na.
Aka na. Hindi silang dalawa.
Ha? Sige na. Ah, silang dalawa dyan.
Oo, maliit man lang.
Oh, okay lang? Pat, ako mag-ano video eh. Pwede. Okay kayo. Okay. Okay. Let's go guys. Come on. Hello. Hello mga anak. Hello. Hello.
Hello guys.
Hello. Ah, mo din eh. Let's go.
Turbo.
Ooh, turbo. Kusgan food ba, no? Electric niya sir, no? Ha?
Sila atin na. Oh, yan na. Look at this.
Nakawat sa motor ni sir. Ano mo sir? 1.5 siguro. Kaya mo sulitan yung namin.
Oh, grabe. Oh, lakas to. Oh, si kuya.
Look, swimming pool.
I want to swim pool.
Yes,
Wanna ni? Ah, okay. Okay, thank you. Okay, kita na po di ay na
Check
diri.
mo, daddy.
Ha? Oh, nice. Nice. Okay. Kita-kita lang.
Okay.
Hindi, kuhan lang muna siya. Sa, ano naman na?
Ako naman yan.
Oh.
Nak, huwag tanggalin niyo yung mga ano niyo.
Mag-shower sa ta. Kay napatay mga balas-balas.
Come here, let's do shower.
Ah. Ay, na, infinity pool, mami, oh. Wow. Oo nga, na
Ay,
infinity
that's
pool.
ano, lalong.
Dali lang ko sa pambata.
Down. I want to look down.
You like this one?
I want to see.
You wanna see?
Look at infinity pool.
Yes, here. Yes.
Ito, 4 feet lang siguro to.
I'm 4 feet.
Ha? Kuamat. Kuamat. This is the infinity pool, see. Nabay dito itong mga cellphone.
Ay, turn on the daddy.
Ah.
Turn on the la.
Oo nga. Wow.
Ano ba ito ililisin daddy? Ilinis ba? Ilinis.
Pag on siguro, mag-start ang ano, ang tawag ni.
No running in the house.
Oh, nice. Pwede po diri oh. Oh, di ba?
Grabe, luluma oy.
Pwede yung chill-chillan diri oh, sa storya lang. Ano yung gwapong nga part? Tapos dito oh. Ha?
Okay, okay na.
Okay na? Okay, dito na tayo. Ah! Tina, look! It's turned on! Wow! I think this is jacuzzi. Right?
Yeah, can I go there?
Yeah, but we need to take a shower first.
Yeah,
Come on.
let's take a shower, Tina. We have to wash our bit.
Okay. So, guys, yes. Mag-shower muna kami. Wow!
Oh,
Nice.
let's wash our bukangkang.
Asan niyo yung natutunan?
Ano ko?
Mami niya siguro.
Hindi kaya no, narinig ko kay Ate Jo.
Nice, guys, nice.
Yan.
Ayan, pag ano na tayo. Yes. Asang shower din eh, sir? Ah, dire? Ah, okay. Oh, shower na, shower. Shower time. Oh, let's play, Marky, see. Let's play. Dito ako, dito kayo. Let's play. See.
Can you swim?
There.
It doesn't, it should not touch the water, okay? Okay.
Wait, that's the water! What do you do? We're doing slap on the boat!
Slap on the butt.
Wait, Maris niya, Tina? Ay. Okay.
Like a kid?
Ah!
Yes.
Daddy, can I go to the relaxing pool?
Huh?
Can I go to the relaxing pool?
We're playing.
It's okay, you can go.
curveball.
Go, if you want to go there, just go there.
Let's go. Let's go to the relaxing pool.
Dapat dito ito.
You can stand. It's not hot. It's just the water. See? Wait, can you stand here? Come on, Tina. Andyan si Kuya. Makatayo siya.
Careful lang, mouth balance.
Look, you touch it. Look. It's just the water going out. Look. That's my utut. Like that.
No, that's a water.
It's a fart. Is it cold? Is it cold? You're shaking.
Ito maganda to kasi umaawa siya.
And there? Gusto niya ito doon.
Wait.
Ay,
He's not going to ano. Remove it. The ano.
I want the ball.
No, they're just going to remove this.
They're cleaning her. You can rest here. Yeah, just go through there. You can eat, pick it up and eat. Is it? You want to try to eat? You can eat the bug if you want. It's rich in protein. See? I asked him to pick it up so I can eat later. Yeah. I will eat that one. Are you happy? Yeah.
Mommy, look what I'm doing.
What are you doing?
Now you can put your feet there. Just go. Lagi po, pamaulan yung guba. Ginawas, plano.
Daddy, can I swim?
Oh, leave. Oh, don't
Wait
stand.
ah. Ay, bumaba siya? Bumaba siya, Daddy?
Mami?
Kukunin ko si Troy?
Yay!
Ha? Kukunin si Troy?
Mami, nice pull up mo lang.
Bumaba ka, sir?
Ready? Ball daw, ball. Ball. Here. Tina, ball. You want to go down? Go down. Gusto daw niya dito. Yeah, this is, here is deep, there is this tank.
Yan ako na lang sila, Daddy, sir. Kung gusto nila dito.
Walang lang dito, oh.
Oo nga, sila dito, Bebe.
Oh, let's play catch. See, let's play catch.
Boy, we have to get
Tina, you want to go here? I'll carry you. Ah, you're having fun there.
Adina, you want me to swim? Yeah. You think only like this I can swim? No, like, Adina, look, jump scare. What is, Adina, you want jump scare? You like it? You need to jump. I like to jump.
Be careful, wait. I'll assist you. Come on.
Adina, can you teach me?
Sure, you jump like this.
No, like that.
Come on.
Like that.
Come on. Jump. 3, 2, 1. Jump. Yeah, you can stand.
Hey, look at this!
So nice, right? Got the ball. Infinity pool. Ganda. Guys, check natin dito. Ang ganda. Infinity pool. Pakita ko sa inyo. Okay, Marky, pakita natin ang infinity pool. Let's go! Tumagdo! Marky, pakita mo. Go, 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 go.
So, we're here right now in this infinity pool. All of this pool is ours. And we're enjoying.
Oh, man, Marky, pakita niyo.
Yung view! Let's go!
My hair fell off. Let's go.
Let's go! Wow, guys! Tingnan
Look at
nyo!
this, guys. This is really nice.
Oh, it's too deep. Just kidding.
Ganda oh. Wow! Grabe! Super ganda! Ganda oh. Nice no?
May purpose din to, no? Kaya parang hugaw doon.
Gani. Oh, at least na kay option. Pag hugaw dito, di maligo.
Oh,
Ang
di ba? Kung
Okay.
ano ka, kung gusto mo sa swamp.
Saka bisag sa gabi eh, biliga punta. Ugba na lang tayo, basin ugba okay na ang dagat.
Ito ano to, 5 feet. 5 feet.
Ano? Nice, nice. Gwapo ko.
Nice.
Oh, na,
Makaswim tayo dito.
pang overnight po ata po siguro na oh, kanang ginabuhat yung anak ko.
Ah, ganda, no?
Nice no?
Yan o, ay, tapos na.
Gwapo day garo eh. So guys, sulit na sulit dito. Medyo magastos nga lang pero kaysa pupunta ka pa ng ibang lugar, eh malapit lang sa amin. Lalo na sa mga taga Davao, dito na kayo pumunta. Rather than wasting your fuel going to far places. Eh, andito na sa Samal eh. Very lucky yung mga taga Davao. Kaya guys, visit kayo dito. Super ganda ng place. Yes, CA! You wanna come? Come here!
I'm gonna go to that point.
Okay, go. Careful.
I think, makatayo ba siya dyan?
Hindi. Doon pwede. Ah. Wanna try? You know how to swim, right?
It's deep, look.
Try.
Try daw.
Just try. Oh, hold my. Okay.
Hold the white thing. Can you stand?
You can? You can stand or no?
No.
Try to swim.
Yeah, only
Try to
near.
swim.
Only near.
Good job. Okay lang yan.
Ito lang oh, goggles ang gamitin ko.
Nasaan yung ano?
Nandun sa akin.
Okay.
Ooh, what's this?
Where are you going, CA? Okay, punta. Wait for me, okay? Nasaan ako lang si CA. Punta ko na si ano? Sila doon. Bro! Nice diri bro. Pwede ba mukhaon diri sir? Ha? Ah, sige sige sir. Mas okay diri. Di, kung magod ang tubig god. Dili okay ang tubig nun kay gikag ulan ba? Yes, I'm coming. Ha? Angon sa? Sa beach god? Ah, mami sa beach talaga yung pagkain. Sir, kanina magibayaran na 200. Ugba, pwede ka po may magamit na rin? Ah, pwede ka po. Okay, kayo. Ayos. Oh, mas limpyo.
Mommy, did you feel that?
Yeah, oh, the go!
Hello, is.
No one is a thief. Here.
Okay.
Oh, it's so relaxing.
I know.
I love the deep. Yeah, Adin. Adin, I love the deep. Adin, look.
Say hi to the camera. Say hi, mommy. Say hi, mommy. Hi, mommy, daddy. Sige na. Hi, mommy, daddy. Si A. Ay, si A. Tina. Hi, mommy and daddy.
Hey, let me play with the ball.
Magtoksa na siya, tapos lalo ng tubig.
Very good, very good. Go, go, go. Strong, strong, strong. Yes. Good job. Hi, hi, mommy, daddy na. Hi, mommy, daddy.
But not give me the ball.
Kuya!
You might not give me the ball.
Ba't ba't give me the ball? Sa mukha ni bataan.
Not me. That's more.
Yes. Let's do like this. Let's play like this. Let's play.
He knows the ball.
Daddy, wag ka saan?
Tay tay. Tay tay. Hello. Tay tay. Tay tay.
Tomorrow we'll bring it.
Yeah, tomorrow we'll swim again.
Tay tay. Tay tay.
It's okay, I'm here.
Hi Choy Choy.
Did you more?
Choy Choy. Hi Choy Choy.
Yes, I will.
Ente.
Monthly pala.
Monthly din sila.
Oo.
Ah, bago din yung limpyo.
Oo.
Gwapo ante.
Para sa amin, Mark, wapo nga, kuan Mark, na swimming pool.
Ah,
Para ano yung wapo na swimming pool.
gani. Gwapo po dito ante, oh, infinity pool.
Oo.
Makita niyo mo dito ang nice nga view.
Oh, let's clap toy. Let's clap toy. Ito. Ajiga bum bum. Ajiga bum 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 bum. Abum bum bum. Abum bum bum. No. Allah. Don't taste it. No. Ang galing. You finished? You want to go? You want to ano na? You want? Sige. Oh, ay, aray ko.
Hi. Oh.
You want to hold? You want? Or no?
Dina, don't hold.
Say hi.
I like to hold.
Look, you can see.
No, Dina. Dina, you don't know the record.
Nag-vlog si Athena.
You see this girl right here? You see this girl right here?
Let's go see. Come on, come here. Wala na tayo gamit, mami, no? Oh, see. Let's get in.
Daddy, it was fun.
I know. Again tomorrow, okay? Go, go. Mat, dali, Mat. Mat, dali, dali. Dali.
Go!
Oh, nabalikan na lang sila. Oh. Let's go.
Bye!
Itim na.
Ganda. Gutom na eh. Kain muna. Tapos na ulit tayo mag-swim.
Infinity pool.
Hmm?
Infinity pool.
Yeah. Grabe ka steep dali. So yun na guys, almost 6 o'clock na ng gabi. Kain na kami. Check mo na kami. So much better kung gamitin ang phone, lalo na pagka-approaching na ang gabi. Kasi mas maganda ang sensor nito kasi sa GoPro. Ayan. So pakita namin sa inyo mamaya guys yung itsura ng resort pagka gabi. Ayan. Ayan. Diba? May ilaw. Maliwanag din pala dito. Nice pala din. Nice magyapon din ante oh. Magyapon man tayo diri oh. Ay kanindot oy. Nindot kayo ah. Ante. O gani. Hunas pagyapon oh. Hunas pa bagyapon? Hunas pa no? O pataob na? Wala pa. Ah, hunas pa. Hunas pagyapon siya. Tao na ta?
Sige na.
Kain na kami guys. Kasi super gutom na. Daming pagkain. Uy, kinilaw lang kung gusto dira. Bilain. Ako lagi na. Let's go.
Sweet.